Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm down in my workshop, and I'm using my Tecsun H-501x, and I'm using an external antenna. This is my Mega Loop antenna, and I've noticed that recently the solar flux index jumped up to 100. So I thought, what the heck? Let's see if we can hear anything on shortwave that's not across the street. So I'm tuned to 7385, which could be a station in China. Could be. It's really weak, so it's hard to understand it. We turn it up and let you listen for a little bit. So I looked at shortwave.info, and it says that 7385 is PBS space XIZANG in China. It's in LHASA. I can't pronounce all these names. And it should be broadcasting right now in English. So if that's for real, and I haven't really been able to verify it, then band conditions are improving. We turned up again some more. Maybe it's getting better. Now I think it's getting worse. Really weak. Playing music, that's for sure. Now, the other thing I've done is I loaded a program that will show me a plot of the solar flux index. And I'll see if I can show it to you right now. Maybe, maybe not. But there's my screen right there. And you can see over on the right-hand side, the solar flux index jumped up to 100. It's been up to 100 for a couple of days now. So it might indicate a breakout, and finally the solar flux index is improving, which may mean we will get an improvement in shortwave listening. Maybe. That's just one of the factors. But that is definitely something promising. We have not seen a solar flux index at 100 or above for a couple of years. Now. And so we may be on the upswing. You can kind of see, I'll show it to you again one more time. It's a fine line, so it's kind of hard to see. But you can see there's an upward trend to an increase. Whoa, they're saying something. Nope, can't understand it. Does sound like English. It might be getting a little better. It's right on the threshold. You can see it's about a 45, 42, 43, which is pretty low. So we'll have to listen to this, and I'll let you know. I'll leave a comment below this video with the first comment and let you know if I verified that it is that's stationed in China. And it's like the middle of China. It's not even on the coast. It's like the middle of China, according to shortwave.info. That's it. Thanks for watching. Turn on your radios and see if you can get anything. Bye-bye.